Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Don, and this is DonBright. If you are learning English and you feel nervous, confused, or afraid to speak, don't worry, you are in the right place. On this channel, we learn real English, step by step, in a simple and friendly way. Today's lesson will help you understand English more clearly, avoid common mistakes, and speak with more confidence. So make sure you stay until the end. Let's begin. Many students say English is difficult, but English is not difficult. The way English is taught is difficult. Students try to memorize grammar rules, translate every word, and speak perfectly. This creates a lot of stress. But native speakers don't speak perfect English. They speak simple English. Your goal is not perfection. Your goal is communication. One of the biggest problems is translating from your language into English inside your head. This is slow and it's very confusing. Instead, I want you to start thinking in ideas. For example, if you feel tired, don't think about grammar. Just say, I am tired. It's clear, it's simple, and it's correct. English works best when you think less and speak more. Now, let's fix some very common English mistakes that I hear every single day. The first mistake is saying, I am boring. When you say this, it means you make other people feel bored. The correct sentence is, I am bored. For example, you can say, this movie is boring, which means the movie is not interesting. Then you can say, I am bored watching this movie. The second common mistake is with age. I often hear students say, I have 25 years. In English, we don't use the verb have for age. The correct sentence is, I am 25 years old. Mistake number 3 is using the past tense after did. Many people say, I didn't went, but after did, you should always use the base form of the verb. So, it's not didn't went, it's didn't go. For example, I didn't go to work yesterday, and the last mistake for today is saying, she don't like it. Remember, with he, she, and it, we use doesn't, not don't. The correct way to say it is, she doesn't like it. Now, let's talk about confidence. Many learners understand English, but they don't speak. Why? It's because they're afraid of making mistakes, sounding stupid, or being laughed at. Let me tell you something very important. Mistakes mean you are making progress. Every mistake you make is one step closer to fluency. Even native speakers make mistakes. They just keep speaking. So, I want you to speak, even when you are not 100% sure. Confidence comes from practice, not from perfection. So, how can you practice every day? Here is a simple routine you can follow. First, speak for just 10 minutes. Talk about your day, your plans, or your feelings. Speak out loud, even if you are alone in your room. Second, listen to real English. Watch YouTube videos, short clips, or simple podcasts. Listen carefully and then try to repeat some of the sentences you hear. Third, learn phrases, not single words. Don't just learn the word hungry. Instead, learn I'm hungry or I'm really hungry. Phrases will help you speak much more naturally. Finally, I want you to start thinking like a native speaker. Native speakers use short sentences. They repeat words and they keep things simple. For example, a native speaker might say, I was tired, very tired. So I went home. This is real English. Simple English is powerful English. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need a big vocabulary. What you need is daily practice, confidence, and consistency. Speak every day, make mistakes, and never give up. Your English will improve, I promise. If this lesson helped you, please like this video. It really supports the channel. And if you want to speak English confidently, learn step by step, and avoid common mistakes, subscribe to DonBright. Here, I upload clear, simple English lessons to help you speak naturally. Also, comment below, I'm learning English with DonBright. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and I'll see you in the next video on DonBright.